Here Hadamard transform kernel mathematical model, if you observe, I am writing it here, g of x comma u equals to 1 by capital N minus 1 raised to, here you will find I equal to 0 to small n minus 1 bi of x bi of u. Okay, so this is kernel. This is the kernel. Always our interest is to find the values of this kernel. Now here this summation, what is the summation we are observing? This summation is nothing but modulo 2 operation. Modulo 2 operation. So what is modulo 2 operation? That is known to you. Okay, so modulo 2 operation is used here. Let's say summation sign 0 and 0. This we are taking summation of this, you will get at the output 0. 0 1 output you will get 1. 1 0 summation you will get 1, and 1 1 1 plus 1 you will get 0 and carry 1. Okay, so here this is the modulo 2 operation. This we are going to use it, right? Now when you know kernel, very easily you can write one dimensional mathematical equation. So one dimensional Hadamard transform mathematical model, if I want to write it, h of u equals to 1 by n summation x equal to 0 to capital N minus 1 f of x. This is the signal, input signal we have. Of this we want to obtain Hadamard, what you can see, the transformation. And now I can write here kernel part minus 1 raised to summation I equal to 0 to small n minus 1 bi of x bi of u. Okay, so this is one dimensional Hadamard transformation mathematical model. Kernel already we have discussed it here. Now most important part of this is we should know what is this bi of x, how to calculate it. Prior to that, we also know that here capital N indicates total number of the samples in a given signal, and most of the time we use capital N equals to 2 raised to small n. Okay, so this model always we use most of the time in image processing applications. And here small u, what is the variable we have, that varies from 0 1 to up to capital N minus 1. Okay, these two things always we should keep in mind. Now one important thing is, when you say the bi of x, this bi of x, how to calculate this value. Let's consider this small x equal to 6, and if you write its binary representation, we know that 1 1 0 is the binary representation of this. And how many values are there? Three values we have used, 3 bits we have used. Okay, so let's say, so this is the LSB and this one is the MSB, or what you can say the its location, we can say this is 0th bit, first bit and second bit. Now if I want to write bi of x, that means bi x is equal to 6 and its binary representation is given here. So I can write here bi, I is say the 0, this 0, so b0 of x or 6 equals to 0. Then this bi of 1, I equal to 1 here, I equal to 1, so b1 of x or of 6 we can have 1, and b2 of x or 6 we can have 1. So this thing is important while calculating Hadamard transformation values. Okay, so after studying these two mathematical models, that means the kernel and actual Hadamard transformation model for one dimensional equation, our interest is to discuss about inverse Hadamard transformation. And this equation we can write in this fashion: f of x equals to summation u equal to 0 to capital N minus 1 h of u kernel we will write it here into minus 1 raised to I equal to 0 to small n minus 1. Now bi of x, bi of u, this is known to you. Okay, so our interest is to use inverse Hadamard transformation mathematical model. When you transform f of x signal into the Hadamard domain, or in a Hadamard transformation we have, go for some processing, and finally our interest is to go for inverse transformation. And here what we can say that f of x, so value of what you can say small x is varying between 0, 1 up to n minus 1. This is what you can say known to you. So when you know these two equations, forward and inverse transformation kernel, very easily you can write two-dimensional Hadamard transformation mathematical model, as well as we know that these kernels are separable and symmetric. That also helps us a lot. Now one important part what we want to discuss here, based upon the properties of recursive and all these things, if you are interested to calculate Hadamard transformation matrix for, let's say, the 8x8 matrix, so it is very easy. One trick what we can say now we are going to discuss here. So let's consider we have calculated Hadamard transformation kernel for dimension 2 by 2. So I can write here h2 equals to, using the transformation, let's say we have calculated this value, and this looks like this. Okay, so 3 elements are positive 1 and 1 element is minus 1, and observe the location, observe this location. Okay, so here now I am writing here one generalized equation. So here let's say h2 into n equals to hn and minus hn here. So you can very easily compare these two things. Okay, you can very easily compare these two things. And here what we can say here, h2n is a Hadamard matrix of order 2n. This is the order here. Here order here is 2. In this equation order is 2n. Let's say you are interested for h4, order h4. I can write here h2 into 2. You know that h2 is with you. Okay, this h2 is with you, and n is what? N is equal to 2 here, capital N. So I can use this equation. Okay, and I can write here h, n value is how much? 2 here also. Okay, so this is h4 we got it. The same thing we can also very easily, when you have h4 with you, then very easily you can write h8 also. Okay, so let's consider h8 is nothing but what we can write, h2 into 4, and let's say capital N equal to now here 4. So h8, if I want to write it, h8 equals to, I can write h4 minus h4. Okay, h4 you have calculated using this equation. h4 you have calculated here, and if you put here h4, then very easily you will get h8. Okay, so using this trick, very easily you can obtain h8. And you know that h2 is with you. So let's try this very quickly. So I'm writing here h2 equals to 1 minus 1, and our interest is to obtain what? h8. So let's say we are calculating h4. We know that h4 is nothing but the h2 and minus h2. So I'm writing here this. So h2 is what? 1 1 1 minus 1. Then for this 1 1 1 minus 1, then h2 this 1 1 1 minus 1, and this one is minus sign is there now, minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Okay, so this is h4 you got. Now very easily you can obtain h8. So h8 equal to h 2 into 4, this is capital N 4. So I can write here h4 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 minus h4. Okay, and h4 is with you. So very easily you can obtain matrix for h8. So let's try this. So 1 1 1 1. So I am writing all these values related to h4 here. So 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Now once again we are writing these values 1 1 1 1 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Okay, so it is very easy task now for you. So just observe here. So getting